Okay, this is week 4 of the dog training class. Okay, so last week, week 3, we did the walking on leash, let's go, with the zigzag, left and right, and left and right. And we did the circles, let's go, circle right, with a small circle, and circle left, dog on the inside. Good. After they do that, give them a treat. So last week we also did sit, stay, stay. Half the leash length away, and then when you return, go back around them. Good. And this week will be stay at the end of the leash, staying for 30 seconds. And then go back. Good girl. Down stay. Stay. This week will be half the leash length away, also staying for 30 seconds. And go back and tell them okay. If they get up before you tell them okay, put them back down. Let's go. This week we'll be doing the recall. So they have to have a full length sit stay for this. So make sure they're sitting, stay. Make sure they stay in that position. Jim, come. Reel them in and they sit in front. When they get to the front, give them a treat. And that's the recall. Just make sure that you practice your sit stays and they learn to listen for you to either call them or to you return. Also this week we're doing the stand stay, which is you take your treat, tell them stand, and we worked on that the other weeks. This week we'll be telling them to hold that spot, stay, take a step in front of them, make sure their feet are staying still. If the feet move, go back and put them back, stand. Good. Okay, let's go. Very good. So the other weeks we were doing the random recall, which is let them get distracted, come, and then reel them in when they're distracted. You can continue doing that and continue doing that on a long line, longer than 6 foot, like 10 feet. So when you're doing the recall, tell them stay, leave on your right foot, go to the end of the leash. When you're going to call them, look at them, come, reel them in, they sit, and then give them a treat in front. As they come in, you can hold the treat up so that they sit. Very good. Continue working on all of the other homework sheets. We're going to be working on place. So what you want to do for place is get a mat or something that you can put on the ground and have them lie down, and sit next to them while they're lying there. And try to hold that for a few minutes. And you can do the go lay down when you're sitting, having a meal or sitting in the living room. Let them chew on their toy. Very good. Keep them there. You say, okay, okay. Eventually, you get to the point where, sit down, you drop the leash, stay, and dropping the leash, and you'll be able to walk away. That means when you drop the leash, that they stay in their place. And it'd be good to have a mat there too, so that they learn place as a spot, because you can move the mat around. Okay. Remember to work on the other weeks, which is spend a few minutes on walking on leash with them. And when you're walking, try to keep them in a close position. And do the about turn. Also, the left about turn is when you walk and do a left turn into them, going the other way. A regular about turn is when you go with the dog on the outside. And okay, so that's the homework for week 4. This is in addition to all the other weeks. The new exercises are the recall and the stand stay. So the stand again is stand your dog. Right, when their feet aren't moving, stay. So they should know stay by now, what that means, and then go back and tell them okay. All right, so that's week 4. Any questions? You can give me a call or email me. And if you want to send a video next week, I'll be having you send videos maybe to see how they're doing. Okay, everybody stay safe.